Is he alright?
Nah, he's not good at all. Hopefully he'll hang in there. He might be just hot and bothered.
Hard because the wind's blowing right at us. I don't want to try and hit the edge and then the line blows into the tree. Only running 6 pound both. Well, I got a little bream. He's up to it. Off you go, mate. Trying to wind this thing as slowly as I can. There's a bit of current which will wash it in, so just want to feel the rod tip pulse. That's all I'm looking for. No.
Yeah, we'll give it an hour and then go relocate after that. You gotta get that light current pushing you down the side. They seem to be hitting you. I've gone through a packet of gold. This is my 3rd lure change. I haven't got a bite full on in for the gold.
Have you used all the gulps up?
Yeah, full packet. They're too toothy. Too many like sharp tooth things in it. I'm hoping this. That's why they wouldn't go for that.
I'm nearly in.
Just like get that one bite, then I know it's working, and then I can just go to work with it.
Well, I'd eat that.
Yeah, you see it coming in? So, yeah, so I don't know why that's not good. All those getting choked by toad. Put a bit of gas on it.
I put a bit of S factor on.
Yeah. Surprised I know what it is. Let's turn the camera off until I get something going. That's the one thing I do notice. So every time you put the gulp on, it's a fish bite.
That was on its way to the bottom. That was a good tug.
Yeah. Well, that's the other thing we've got to think too, is maybe we're getting a little crapfish with what I'm using. Big fish is still yet to be caught on a different lure.
Well, I was actually watching the line, waiting for it to hit the bottom, and then I was going to start.
But I've been going whip, whip, whip like that, and it's been creating a reaction, so it's sort of, maybe it's that bait chase sort of thing that's going on.
Seems to be getting tapped before on a dead stick. Whether the lure hit the bottom, I don't know. Oh, such a kick in the dick. Little scale on there. Feral cat.
Look, a little purple feral. A lot of guys just know him as the bass lure, but chase him pretty too.
Just put that little out along the edge.
Yep.
Ping.
Yeah, there should be schools running along here.
Well, that's what we came for, I suppose.
They're fun on the hard body line.
Yeah.
Right up along the rock.
Yep. I felt like I hit a rock and then it went. I was just thinking, it looks really nice here. It's deep.
Yeah, right along this rock edge.
Yeah.
That's why the only reason I got the worm hook on is so I can roll the runners into the edge. Okay.
Tricky with the window on there. Couldn't see where I was putting my feet. Could have been a disaster. I mean, I dare say it would have been funny if I fell in. If there is a school of fish here, I dare say, man, my size going in would have scared them all off. You can feel that lure bouncing off all the rocks. Every time it bangs, it also rattles. That sound will amplify into the water.
I've been chasing these salmon up and down.
I've seen a big school of mullet.
Do you reckon they're mullet or salmon? Because they're black spotted, they don't
Oh.
bite. But I thought there was mullet in there, but I'm reckoning they're salmon or
The look I got at them, they looked like they were mullet, but some of them were missing scales.
yeah, but some of them, you can see the ones that
Yeah.
they're like bullets. I thought they were salmon.
It's only 6 pound litre. Did he get you?
He's ready for that head shake. He knows what I'm going to do. Come on, I couldn't get a bite in the main river.
Well, I got railed up there,
All the way.
just on the other side by the submarine sign.
I went up that way, I couldn't get anything. I got back in here all the ice. Nice one. Bag and re-rig. I've been working that late
I decided to go to the gold prawn. I went on the other side, having a cast, and I was just giving it light shakes. It just went boom, done.
Oh, over there?
Yeah. So I stayed there, I fed him a few more hits, but no takers.
Well, I've got a shark around. I've drawn 3 really big fish, 3 of them done. Like drag screamers, not flooded.
How we got
I'm
that?
sure there's tailor or something, hey? Oh, snap your hook off.
Snap the hook off.
Well, I'll go back to the kid, I think.
Whoa.
Camera on?
Yeah. Look at it, I got leader now, that was so close.
Yeah.
I seem like the kind of fisherman that I'd really like to see what the line's doing. So when it's windy like this, it's really hard to read what the lure's doing. Somebody can tell when it hits the bottom, it loses a bit of its tension and goes slack. So traditionally that's where you want to wind the slack up and give you a couple of hops. There's still bait here.
Yeah. Still looks good, doesn't it?
Mm.
I wish we were up in those wrecks. Sort of know that's where they're going to bump again.
I was thinking that if we're on a boat we could just go and find them.
Right?
If you're on a boat you could just go find them.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time we went down there was the run out.
Yeah,
And we got them all in that mangrovey bit.
yeah. That's the start of the run out. They roll out like we had them up the top, you were getting them, and then we went down on the turn.
Yeah.